I would hate to own that thing.
Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy? That Superman? That
Working on this piece of shit again. A little leak right there. I don't know where it is. Take it off.
What the hell is wrong with your car?
Blew up. Taking out the engine.
Nice, dude.
Nah, there's like a misfire. We'll pull out the air intake and then I think it's one of those plugs on the other side though, but yeah, I don't know yet. I'll just see. It might be a coil though, like just a hole in it or some shit, but
Hold on. Oh. So I'm just taking this part off. I don't feel like going all the way down there, so
you're just gonna work around it.
yeah. I'm trying to, I guess.
God. I would hate to own that thing.
Yeah, I better just sell it. $10 if you want it. I'm staying NA. I'm taking off the turbo kit right now.
Hopefully, like you didn't break
yeah.
something internally. How dirty is your mouth? That thing's clean as fuck.
I thought it was gonna be oiled out because of the turbo.
Nah, she's
I guess
clean.
not. Looking for angles in this engine make freaking sucks, bro. Maybe? Nah. We're gonna take this off. Alright boys, we got some of it off. Here. Sparks now. Not really too much to really record, to be honest. Alright boys, we've just been pulling these. Nothing really major. I mean, they look still pretty clean, so you're ooh. You hear that? Might just be that. Okay boys, after taking all this shit apart, I took off this hose and there's like a little cut here, so we're gonna look for a new hose real quick, connect that and see if it works. Hopefully it does, because I don't feel like taking these out. I thought it was gonna be the coil packs, like a little hole in them, but honestly I think it's just these, so I'm gonna check that out. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna start putting everything back together with a GoPro. This edition of T-Bradlett. Y'all wanna see more POV work on cars videos? Slide through. Oh shit. Ooh. Close that one. Yeah, we might just have to get all new vacuum lines, honestly. Just order them. Gotta try and figure out what all we disconnected, because I kind of forgot what all I disconnected.
You.
Hey,
Photo.
got you on video. Not
He
really.
got the goddamn, you got the hat camera on.
Hell yeah.
This might work. It's gonna work. Could trim it down. You might not have your pretty Mishimoto on it.
Is it silicone too?
Yeah. Taste it. We can reuse the bitch groups.
Maybe. That bitch look big.
I saw this chafe tube over it.
Okay.
Just give it a little, just spit on it a little bit. You might have to.
What do I have over there? They started. I started fluid melt. Well, this shit right here though.
Ceramics?
Yeah, because it's kind of like juicy with it. You
Hey,
feel
it's
me?
waterproof now.
Hey man.
Oh, my bad, it repels water.
Yeah, it's gonna repel the water into the intake.
Into the intake. You don't want that.
God damn.
He said, fuck you, Nissan.
Yeah, we don't need it.
Nah, fuck it. Weight reduction.
Rate reduction.
Slide one of these. About 6 ounces of weight reduction.
Okay, that's valid.
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just clamping it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Might have to trim this hose though. Oh yeah.
What do you think of?
I need some lube. Somebody spit on that thing,
who the
man. Who the fuck is that guy? Good fucking courage. Yeah? Not that kind. Oh, I got a lot of courage.
God damn. Holy shit, mate.
It ain't gonna leak, I'll tell you that.
Car blows up.
No. I'm a mechanic, trust me. Mechanic. IR mechanic. Really need some fucking WD-40. Or get some of that motor oil, get a fucking
Facts.
cap full.
Hey, we could just.
It's gotta be VR1 though. Alright, just to prove a point, I'm grabbing the fucking VR1.
Boys got the new hose, connecting everything. Old hose, little cut. So let's see. Connected. Over here, connect these. What is this one? Why do I have so much shit?
Jack, use it as a hammer. Alright.
What are you doing?
Okay. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. It's like fucking broken. Did I break it? It's like stuck now. Oh, there goes. My boys, we ain't got that much battery left, but we're gonna put this back on. I forgot which way it went, I'm gonna be honest. Leave went kind of like this. Not too sure how the gasket should go, but I'm guessing like that. Honestly, I don't remember how the gasket goes. So if I'm doing it wrong, comment down below right now. Alright, gotta get the start up for y'all. So boys, the ECM fuse has been breaking, so I think there's more water underneath where I put it in, so we're gonna try and fix it. What is good, guys? What is good? What is good, guys? Recently my ECM fuse has been breaking for no reason. Not no reason, but I can't find the reason. But we took out the fuse box and there's like hella water right here, and I looked at a diagram, and then this shows us going to the ECM, and the ECM fuse, which is this one, has been breaking. So just gonna let it dry out and then see if that fixes it, because I've been taking apart the car. Haven't really been vlogging because it's kind of stupid to vlog, but we've been taking apart the car. So we're trying to just let this dry out, sit here probably for like a few hours and then try it. So I'll update y'all. Alright boys, so we're gonna put this back in the whip. We let it dry overnight, just to see maybe if there was water in it. We're gonna try this, and then second thing is we might just buy a new one of these, and then because it probably got water damage, maybe, and then put that one in there, and then yeah, we'll see what's up. Because honestly, I think this is the problem, because when everything else was messing up, it was kind of water in the cords, but it's probably really this. Yeah, we gonna try it, motherfucker.